Just got done. Check it out. New style. Got the black contrast on the silver. Aprons, quad tips, that diffuser. Sweet. Looking nice and clean. We're gonna be installing that middle LED bar light right here. That's coming off. And first thing we'll start off with is removing these clips. So literally super easy. There's gaps in between them. Just kind of take a small flathead or whatever, pry tool, push in there, grab it out, and just like that, do it to the rest, and then this will pop right down, this piece. And so if you come underneath here, you gotta remove the bolts, the sides right here, one over there. And there's gonna be a screw over here that's gotta be removed inside there with a screwdriver, and take the screw out, and that should open it up. Bolt is right here as well, and I believe this bolt as well too. And yeah, that should do it. Let's give it a shot. One bolt is actually missing. Lovely. And then this piece. I think that's it, because it's missing a few bolts, but we gotta remove that Phillips screw from there. The pry tool, which can be found on my website, link in the description below. And you just kind of pry as you go. And then go on the top side. That side's out. And then be careful not to yank it, because you might have to disconnect some wires here. That brings it off. Like I said, don't yank it because you might have some wires. So you got a plug here going all the way to the camera, and license plate light. So 2 plugs right here, you gotta remove, and a push tab button, take it off, and we'll take this piece out. That's perfect.
Yo, did you try? Hold on. Did you charge the scooter, bro?
Grab it. So we're transferring. Alright, so you can start recording, it's fine. So we're going to transfer this piece. Just the push tab. Pops open for the camera. So make sure you guys point it the right way. Again. Alright. Where the gaps are. There you go.
Tandaan mo.
Put it that way, yeah. Perfect. So that piece is in.
Yeah.
And next up is this piece. Literally just that one clip. Literally just that one clip. This side. So going like that, and push up. That's in. There you go. That should be it. And if you want, you can kind of push that clip outwards a little bit just to make sure it's in. Careful not to break it because they're fragile. But that's it. And then now we gotta remove also the emblem. So you have to break them off pretty much. Break these things off and pry out this with the plastic trim tool. Just pry out, and we're gonna use 3M tape behind it over here on this sides, and we'll heat it up and push it back in on there. Other than that, you have to remove these as well. Don't put the screwdriver in here because screws are gonna go back in there. You don't want to mess up the threads, so go around it and kind of do it like this to kind of get to bring them out pretty much, because I know they're a little stiff. All right, probably see how this one popped out easily. Sometimes they're a pain, so use a hammer or something, but I'm just gonna use both screwdrivers and a flathead. That works. So that's gonna be transferred right here. All right, so for now we put some 3M tape here. Gorilla 3M tape, which is the best. Just use the adhesive promoter on both sides, meaning behind this, and also on the spot that you're gonna be putting it at. So it should work out well. And I will keep the badge on the side for now. And let's get this installed, since everything is transferred to it. And yeah, just gotta run the wires pretty much after that. So go back here.
Ready, sir?
Yep. Alright, so now you gotta put the harness back on. I was like, where's the clip and everything, you know? I'm confused. So click everything back in. 2 plugs. And then that push tab clicks in, you're good to go. Last but least, all right, let's make sure this goes right on. And we're also gonna remove the tail lights, because we have to run the wire for this over there for plug and play. So let's just keep it here like that. And to remove the tail lights, you have to remove the top tail lights. Just remove the 3, 1, 2, 3. There's 3, I believe. Nope. There's 2, 1, 2, and 2 bolts right here. These 2, so that should move the tail lights out, and we can run the wire. All right, so it's gonna be a plug and play here. Pretty much, it's male and female, so they won't go to both sides. You can't mess it up. Pretty straightforward. Good to go. Keep the excessive out, and we'll run the other wire through and plug it here. I'm gonna hide it under the clicks in. And if you want, put some electrical tape around here for extra safety for water or whatnot. But other than that, we'll just leave it like that. Put the tail lights. Yep, we'll definitely just put the tail lights back in, click them in, and put the screws back on here. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Excessive, we'll just tie it up with zip ties. If you don't have, use electrical tape. Alright, so putting this back in. Actually, let me put some electrical tape on the connections, because I want to be extra safe for this guy. Okay. So this is for extra safety, in case water passes through here or whatnot. Who knows? And guys, if you guys are watching the video and this is helpful, obviously you're here because you need this install. You're probably doing it right now yourself, so. So make sure you guys hit the smash button for the like and smash the like button and subscribe. And good content's coming up. So let's put this back in together. Just make sure everything lines up. This should be underneath. Like so. The wire should be under there. Alright, just make sure the wire is not in the way of the clips, because then it can't go in.
It's like wiring during winter when you do car wash. It's like I want to feel the coldness. But it burns something else, man. It's freezing.
Oh, good.
It's like I want to feel it.
Why is this side going in? Alright, so it's all in. And now we gotta make sure you guys put the screws back on that you removed, and I'll put the cover back on, and then we should test it out. Alright, that's done, so let's bring it down. Check it out. Extra. Oh, we can turn it on. You got it. It works.
I got wet. Oh shit.
That's it, fam. So peace out till next time. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, and peace out till next time. Check out the bottom though. Got the full set now.